Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today, we are going to see Unit 2, My Native Place. In this unit, one prose, one poem, one supplementary reader. Now, we are going to learn Unit 1, that means Lesson 1. Topic is Trip to My Grandparent Village. What is the topic? Trip to my grandparent village. We are going to see this lesson in two parts. So in this video, we are going to see first part. Let us see the lesson now. It is a story about a boy called Santosh. That boy name is Santosh. How he spends his holidays with his grandparent house. How he enjoyed. Let me see now. Trip to my grandparents' village. It is summer. Santosh vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirumalai, his parents' village. Santosh is excited. He records all audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experience during this. Santosh is a boy. His vacation is started. His parents are going to village. That place is called Sirumalai. So he makes a audio diary in his mother phone. Later he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's see his diary to know his experience during that vacation. Now we are going to read the diary of Santosh. We know diary, correct? It comes according to that date. So children, we are going to see what he has written his diary on 10th April. I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tap for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited. Children, listen. Already he spends few days with his grandparent village. He says he was very eagerly waiting to visit his grandparents because he goes there, he can able to meet his grandparents along with cousin. So he started to pack his things. What are the things he packed? He packed his clothes and video games. Then he says, tomorrow they are going to travel. So he was very happy. He writes his diary on 10th April. Then we are going to see the diary 11th April. In 11th April, today we are traveling. Though it's summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white grains in the lush green paddy field. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. There is no traffic, there is no noise and air pollution in the village. So, they may have started early morning because even though it was summer, the weather is pleasant. With this, we understand they might travel in the morning. When they were traveled, he tells us how is the road appeared. Both of the roads he saw number of trees and yellow flowers. Everywhere he saw green. He saw many grains sitting on the paddy field. We can see paddy field in the villages, correct? So the grains came and eat the paddy. So the grain sitting on the paddy field. Then he saw scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. So in the village, no traffic, no noise, no air pollution. Then I get off the bus and run to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are juicy and sweet. So they ended the travel. They get off the bus and run to meet his grandparents. And then they are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. The trees are jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. They have abundant fruits. And then my grandfather gave some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are very fresh and juicy. Okay children, the other one parts we can see in other class. Thank you children.